makalimutan yung mukha ng hayop na yun. Malalim makita ko. Pag-cross tayo yung landas namin, maliit lang ng Pilipinas. Pero makawa na ako ba? Pakiusap lang.
Ayun, ang mahirap dito, maraming na-upload dito.
Sir, pwede ba?
Pinakita yung military ID mo.
Alam mo na.
Oh.
Pero ayaw mo eh. Hindi bawal to.
Magaw.
Ano kaya?
Ha? Ha? Sa akin yan?
No.
Kita din eh.
Pas mo na siya.
Ako makain.
Kumabol yan. Nakala mo ba?
Kaya
Lakas natin to. Kuya.
Normal namin dito. Dalawa kami, dalawa.
Talaga wala pa ako. Nakatayo pa ako eh. Pero pag nakaupo na ako medyo ngayon, mahina na yung tuhod.
Pero tingnan natin.
Ako muna, sige, akin muna lab.
Oh. Yung ano, gusto ko yung ano, kantahin mo yung...
Hindi, ayoko yung
may nakatagong lihim na kanta. Si Ajon.
Wag lang silos, mapapasaya mo itong isa na ito.
Masilos ka talaga.
Kakanta nito ng silos. Ah, kantahin natin ang silos.
Ayan sa
Ang unsa man?
tulog.
Shout out everybody, thank you for accommodating us. Thank you everybody.
Ilapit mo ba ang mic?
I love you.
Yeah. I love you, Barracuda.
This song is for everyone.
Skip. Sana all.
Shout out for the other.
Welcome to Dubai, Ajon.
Wow!
This song is for the friends.
Sure.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. As far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love.
Kali natin dual ka.
That's what brings our home. Thank you, Kuya, kasi. Well, you gave me love and me, and now it's so much more I see. And so by the way I tell you, and then for the times when we're apart, when you close your eyes, you know the words that come from my heart. And then if you can't remember, Without you, the days would all be empty. The night would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know we'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't find now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You won't find now how much I love you. The one who changed my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. In the road ahead is not so easy. Our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there with you if you should need me. You don't have to change. I love you just the way you are. Come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love. You know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, you'll never ask for more than love. Nothing's gonna change my love. You wonder by now how much I love you. The one who changed my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love.
Ayun yung talaga yung mga matataas.
Shoutout kuya!
This song is dedicated
Kasin. Yes!
Eh, ito lang, gusto.
Dapat gaya kasi yung mga pa-video-video eh. Yes!
Wala pa. Kailangan kong binungan. Guys, thank you so much kasi dinalaw ako ng aking pinsan ng aking asawa na si Aljon.
Pinsan din.
So, nakakaya naman. Kaya, ito lang ang na-prepare namin sa kanya.
No. Okay yan.
Yung video mo,
Misis kong uwasa yan.
And I want to tell you so much. I love you.
Darling, I love you.
Darling!
I love to see the sun in your eyes and tell you that oh,
Free brush can leave more plaque behind, Lara. Well, plaque can lead you here paying for cavities. That's why I switched to Oral-B Electric and Taste. Its round brush head remove up to 100% more plaque. Don't let cavities make you pay. Oral-B.
In the channels of the oh God, this time I'm dreaming of the hour, waiting for the day, and he can break and fly away again, fly away, silent you for the will you have today for me. Fly away, silent you for the will you have today for me. Let me wake up in the morning to the smell of the new morning, to love and in the bright is the light, wanna do the feeling of the sister you see, but also all this from this getting away, and open all this toward the sun. For God is God, I'm bigger, dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, God, I'm bigger now, toward the dream you love so very far away. Wondering what was she holding me in glasses of love, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I did. This song is dedicated to my cousin husband. Welcome to Dubai. We can do a party whatever you want. This beautiful lady was walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, you feel wonderful tonight. Yeah, that's everybody, shut up. Really wonderful, become my see the light in your eye. Then I wonder, oh Lord, if that you just realize how much he loves you. Hey, shout out Ate Kuya for your music situation for you. Yeah. Hindi yata magpapatalo sila kuya. It's time to go home now.
Ayan na kayo eh. Partner ka tayo. Ulit si Patrick.
So I give her the car keys, and she helped me to bed. And then she reached for my hand. The simple touch was more than I could stand, and I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. She couldn't get angry and make me feel like a child. But I realized the very worst time.
Eh, di ako talaga. Ay, walang mic.
I want her to hate me and treat me like a friend. I want her to say the peace someday. I'm going for my little back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, wow, I like it. I know that she'd be mine, but you smile at me and never made a sound. And I couldn't feel her away, 'cause her silence told me everything you'd gonna say. And it felt the world
No easy way pala yan. Kaya para hindi pala easy kumanta yan.
Pili ka ng kanta lang, kakantahin ko.
Kuya, masig na.
Ayan po yun.
Tinapon mo. Hindi, last na yun. Oh my God.
Ayoko, serious ko dyan. Di ako marunong yan. Di ako marunong sa selos.
Kailangan mo magsilos.
Ayoko nito. Love.
kasi
Mami.
siya ang pinaka-daddy namin. Siya si mami. Siya si daddy. Oh, mga anak lang kami.
Okay. Ay, siya. So, kailangan mo mag-bike. Alam mo, ito na yung pinaka-bike. Pero pag relax mo lang ang iniisip.
Oo. Yeah, visitor ka dito sa Dubai. Kailangan talaga i-relax.
Buti nga eh, meron kaming, may kamag-anak din kami sa Kuya at Rochelle na katulad. Hindi naman lahat ng kamag-anak eh, ganyan magtrato eh.
Hindi, kami.
May iba kasi.
Oh.
Hindi naman lahat. Ito lang, yung kasang si Kuya din po yun eh. Kuya Ruel.
Oh.
Magaling gusto mo yun.
Ay, siyempre.
Uy, kasama ko yan!
Dati lang ako nung araw.
Kasama ko.
It feels like more than distance between us.
Oh!
In the sky, we're falling.
Gusto ko yung kanta na yan!
You were sleeping next to me.
Kaya.
It seems like more distance between us. In this time,
Video me. Video hime! Video hime! Hindi na video. Video niya. Guys, ito lang ba? May ulit! Kung magkakantira, uwi na tayo. Wala tayo dito. Kumawa naman tayo. Marami doon. Kaso, maligaw tayo. Gusto mo maligaw, diba? Dubai Island tayo.
Jamela. Jamela.
Dapat hindi ako nagbigay ng dapat hindi tayo nagbigay ng alak eh.
Akala namin, i-apply yun. Gusto ko bang uminom si Daddy?
Wala ka to, warm up pa lang.
Daddy, gusto nang umuwi.
Sige tayo kuya, sige tayo. Kumala.
Ano oras na? Hindi, mayroon. Hanggang umaga kami dito. Marami akong kontak sa dira. Ano? May time card sila. Hindi pwede. Bukas, yatin din na sila maga. Inom tayo.
Grabe ka.
Iguloy mo lang.
Sige nga nga.
Uminom kayo, uminom lang ha. Walang uwian ha.
Philips 5400 Latigo. Simply remove, open, rinse, and you're good for another great cup of milk-based coffee. The fastest milk system to clean. Philips 5400 Latigo.
Magpakantay mo.
Basta bantay ka
Wala,
lang.
bibili natin yung ano, bibili
Hindi,
natin.
bantay ka ulit. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng laging may service. Yun ang lagi matandaan. Sige, walang...
Ang dapat kailangan, pag okay na yung metro,
Nagpalagay na.
okay na yung metro, okay na bukas.
Yes! Salam!
Oh, yun. Hindi, I mean, ganito kasi malalabasin natin. Kahit malay tayo, nag-metro tayo. Hindi lagi tayo.
Wag ka lang mawala! Wag ka lang mawala!
Sa buhay ng mundo.
Ayan, alam mo. Partnering life mo, mawala na kami ng asawa ko.
Nakahuli na ka?
Sa'yo to, ate.
Ikaw na day, nahulot na ako aday. Wala na siya, tubig na siya.
Ay, kakanta ka?
Andun, no.
Kanta na ba?
Lumabas ka, ano, Marvin?
One or one zero. Conbe!
I like it.
Please don't ask me why I'm about you.
As long as audio too. Ma'am, basta. Meron?
Nami ang buwan, kilawin din. Hindi ka lang tapos silis.
Kahit mas di galang naman ka. Buhay mo ay silawan. Hindi babago ibig mo. Pag-ibig
Puyo ha?
Pag-ibig na inalay ko'y sa'yo'y tapat. Pagkat ako ngayon nangangamba sa'yo, giliw mo. Akong sakali magtulungan, mayroon ng ibang pinamahal. Kung sakali magtulungan, nang mawala ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko.
Hindi mo buka na kainom kilos ng punan.
Sakali
Nagkakita daw, liyo ka sa tanan ba? Kasi hindi mo buka na.
ito laging matitig, magpapalong pagkasakaling mahal mo pa ako sa piling mo. At kung sakaling mamagod, ito laging matitig.
Dali!
Talaga sa hindi nangyari yan.
Lucio!
Thank you.
Lucio!
Thank you, Meron. Kuya. Hindi ka pala makakalimutan.
Ay, meron pala. Hindi ko na yan. Tingin ko magana. Dapat pala kaya na.
Be with you. Wala pa yan eh. Kalahati pa lang yan.
Napaka-sweet ni Kuya Romel.
Ngayon
ako nakita ng tao.
alam mo nga ako.
Ganyan kagaling sumayaw.
Nandahil.
Kuya, ngayon ako nakita ng tao. Ganyan kagaling sumayaw.
Lalo salang mo. Make me happy, salang mo.
Oh, make me happy.
Sige.
Make me happy daw.
Ano ka doon?
Hindi pa rin kanta.
Ano ka doon? Ano ka doon ba? Diba? Wala mo sa tayo.
Pero, sabi si Kuya Romel, napaka-generous. Napakatao.
Nagkakarinig.
Munggo nga yan, munggo.
Struggling with hair loss?
Ang kuya mo,
With
munggo
its
yan.
natural ingredients
Monggo
that
yung
strengthens
paningin nyo,
your
pero
hair
para
from
sa
within.
akin,
Lahat naman ng taong munggo, masaya talaga yan.
hindi talaga ako makita ng tulad ni Kuya Romel.
Sariling mundo yan.
Mayaman.
Mayaman yan.
May sariling earth, di ba? Sino mga mayaman, di ba yung may sariling
Kaya
earth?
sabi ko yung mga taong ano.
Pero yung mga taong ganyan, yun ang pinakagusto kong kasama.
Kasi lang mundo yan.
Mayaman eh, ikaw kaya mo ba yung sarili mo ngayon?
Isa din yan.
Kaya I love Kuya Romel, talaga.
Mahulog kayo dyan ha. Mahulog kayo dalawa dyan.
Hubog pala yan.
Sinabi talaga.
Kaya!
Marami na ako nakilalang tao, pero hindi katulad.
Nagbabaliw, dinalaw niya mo.
Sundalo, FPA.
May talaga si Kuya.
Pero ito si Kuya Romel is
Bigyan mo lang infinite dyan.
Sayaw na.
Sabi ko nga kuya, ako nang bibili ng alak. Ayaw niya talaga. Meron ako ditong card. Siyempre sasawa.
Gumabang nga.
Uy, kuya!
Kaya mo ba?
Ano yun? Move!
Parang ka mayuring isa.
Sibo na pa naman si Boy. Ako yun eh. Hindi. Ang saya-saya ko, mapatay ko lang si Aldo. Alam mo,
Wala ka ba sa ibang kuya Romel?
no. And this is online or offline?
Wala kayong makikita ng ibang Kuya Romel po you.
It,
Yes.
it's big. Wow.
Puyo.
No, not
Puyo.
Puyo. Karin.
Puyo, asawa.
Karin.
Kuya.
Karin, puyo. Karin, puyo. Ako din, si Ate Karin mo si
Kaya ang sabi, is Karin coming today?
Puyo, Karin.
Is Karin coming today? Karin is with me. Manamiss ka. It's Kalinto din.
Nawala yung gusto kay Kuya eh. Meron akong 4 tapos ngayon parang isa na lang yata.
Ay, Diyos ko po. Ay, nanang! Ay, inang!
Mahulog ka Kuya.
Ay, putang ina men! Pag ikaw nasalsal dyan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, iyak tawa ka. Na! Ay, Joseph. Diyos ko po, Rode. Diyos ko. Ay! Dami mahulog yan! Takina! Shit! Gaya! Gaya mga kabangawan ko, mahulog na! Relax lang.
Paulo man kami, mga Coast Guard kami.
Wala kinukuha kong ganyan maliit na naman.
Oh, magkambay-kambay ba? Parang bibi.
Napakasaya kasama ni Kuya eh. Alam mo, parang pag ayaw kasama walang problema sa buhay. So, hindi mo alam yung dalawa na yung fight niya. Hindi mo binabayaran.
Don't ever take your fight.
Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan si Kuya.
Make your life happy. Kasi pag ikay nagpadala ka sa problema mo sa buhay, your life is finished. Like this. Believe me.
Kuya Ruel is the best.
So, tomorrow,
everybody, Kuya Ruel.
if my life finish, you cannot see me.
Companies of all sizes use BigQuery to uncover new insights from their data, like cost savings, operational efficiencies, and new ways to grow revenue.
Shot.
BigQuery
Kaya alam mo, yung mga bakla doon,
highly scalable,
sa
cloud data
Gago,
analytics
isasama yun sa
at the
PC,
core
yung mga
of
bakla.
Google's unified data
parang
platform.
gusto ako.
BigQuery saves you time on the
Sabi niya,
field,
sama ko,
and making
sama
data
ko,
easily
mag-fishing kami.
accessible for self-service
Sabi ko, kinakalabit ko, Kuya, wag mo na yan,
built-in
ano
business
yun.
intelligence tools.
Kasali ka
Get started today with BigQuery Sandbox or get a $300 credit when you start a free trial.
Bakla lang yung pangit ng test mo, Kuya, bakla yun.
Bakit? We are friends, you know. We are not doing something
Pero
wrong,
hindi ka
you
gusto.
know. Hindi niya ako gusto, bakit niya ako siya sama, di ba? Pag hindi niya ako gusto. Even to say, means to say, pag ginaman niya ako. Maka-supportive.
Wala, ako na yung supportive. Ako na nagmula.
Kaya mahal na mahal ko si Aljun eh. Ay, hindi pa na yung asawa. Ibe.
Okay na to. Ay,
Ay!
okay na.
Simple move lang yan eh. Kantahin mo.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Pagkain pa to. May pagkain to.
What's up? Let's dance, everybody! Hey, shout out. This is for you.
Luwa. Naluwa man siya.
Ayaw mo kaulaw nga ikaw
Ay, Bisaya. I love it.
sasayaw sa bukid no.
I love it.
Ano kayo sa ano? Mahulog ka diya, puyo. Dito ka dapat pa. Doon ka banda, doon. Doon ka banda. Oh, labi ka, Alton. Samputin mo na lang.
Ayaw mo kaulaw na ikaw na nagsayaw
Yung sa barangay ba? Yung pag na alikabok, nahulog ka, talo ka na. Mudjut, mudjut. Pag nahulog ako, talo na ako. Kaya hindi mo na ako i-account. Talo ako.
Hindi ka lang nakakit. Bahala ka dyan.
Agisa mo ba ako dyan? Kay langoy-langoy ba?
Langoy-langoy ba?
No more for more than one night. I know we're going to try. If we go down together, just one. I hope you understand why it always comes to goodbye. We give ourselves in honor to one another. We're no desire. Take the best of me and better. Find a way to stay together.
Just once, find a way to make it right. Make the mind.
I know you got the breakthrough. We will die together, just ating binata ay maraming salamat.
Yung alcohol.
That is your turn. Please can you come out?
Softer, fresher.
Daddy, where are you?
Johnny is there.
Come.
Dapat naman kasi ganyan ang partner. Alam mo yung marunong sa lahat.
Marunong makisama.
Hindi lang yung keljo.
Kaya nga.
Hindi lang yung ikaw lang. Alam mo yung ganun. Hindi ganyan kasing tao na ako lang. Siya lang. Wala tayong kita iba. Ako lang.
Palette's new intensive color cream. Even more caring formula during and after coloring. Palette, Europe's #1.
Darling, lagi mo pa eh.
How can you just walk away from me? Well, all I do is watch you leave. Cause we were doctor and the pain, and even shot her free. You're the only one who really. This is just an empty space. Well, there's nothing left here to remind me. Just a memory of the face.
There's just an empty space, and you coming back to me is against the odds, and that's what I gotta face.
I wish I could just make it turn around. Turn around, see me cry. You stole my shining to stay for you. So many reasons why. You're the only one who really means.
Take a look at me now. Well, there's just an empty space. There's nothing
Oh, ikaw nakanta. Yun naman pala eh. Gusto mo kumanta.
Surprised? Yes. New Tides, the stain removal team. Tides.
Daddy, Saki.
Thank you for accommodating, Rochelle.
Thank you for accommodating my love. Napakapas na
Hey, everybody,
Where's the queen?
happy fiesta.
Queen!
You're the things that we
Cute!
when the music's loud, all my dreams spin. When I dance with you, promise me you're not. I've been waiting line tonight while the lights are.
Di ba para kay lahat ng kuya mo?
I'll never let
No.
you go. Kiss, 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 ate. Did I think that we dance forever? Did I wish that we met together? Kiss, kiss. When the love that I pray will never end. Kiss, ate, kuya. You know it's not my imagination or a part of the Lord's mission. Kiss, kiss. You're the pure nation. You're the king and she's the queen.
of hearts.
Kiss! Kiss, ate, kuya! Yes! I love it! Thank you, kuya, ate. For accommodating.
Lako na na. Para matag-teenager, ani.
Okay lang yan. Mas
Alam
maganda
niyo ba?
yung bata ka everyday.
Ito kasi ang hindi nyo na-understand. Let me explain.
It's a miracle that's happened.
1, 2, 3.
You were searching
Ako may challenge. Hello.
only one to make you
Ako may challenge lang po yan.
that I was born for you. I was
Sabihin ko na ba?
Ah, sabihin namin.
yes, I was born for you.
Challenge daw.
And the door
You really do accept my challenge. Ito ang challenge. Kakanta ka lang. Kung mabuti na ang buhok mo.
Okay.
May hawak na tungkod.
May hawak na tungkod.
Pagbigyan natin si kuya. Ano kuya?
Ano gusto mo tungkod?
Mahaba ang tungkod.
Okay.
Rico, tuloy mo be. Rico.
Oh, yan record man.
Anong request mo kuya?
Challenge accepted.
Sorry, ano yan?
Challenge accepted.
Challenge active.
Pero challenge active.
Challenge active.
Oh.
Hindi may challenge ako. Kung maputi na ang buhok, meant to say, tatanda kami yung pareha.
Bagong kulay.
Bagong kulay yung buhok.
Wag.
Okay, ito na.
Ayaw ko nga lang may.
Ano to? Air ba? Air night?
Kuya naman eh. Sabi ko kaya.
Do you know what's hiding in your business's data? Companies of all sizes use BigQuery to uncover new insights from their data, like cost savings, operational efficiencies, and new ways to grow revenue. BigQuery is Google Cloud's serverless, highly scalable cloud data warehouse at the core of Google's unified data cloud. BigQuery brings your data together in one place, even across clouds, for real-time insights that can reveal cost savings in your operations and supply chain, all without the need to manage infrastructure.
No, promise
BigQuery
ka.
saves you time on reporting by making data easily accessible to self-service.
Baka may ibang baby ka.
Built-in business intelligence
Yung
tools.
baby ko lang ang habang.
You can use AI-powered recommendations
Sino na
to predict
baby?
customer
Si
demand
Rochelle.
and grow revenue. With built-in machine learning,
Be,
Ah.
sundalo. Yung
The
kamay.
Paano pag lumis ng landas?
give your data the
Mabigat ang
BigQuery
kamay.
treatment.
Huwag mong ano
Get
kasi.
started
Lumis
today.
ng landas.
Samples or get a $300 credit when you start a free trial.
Oh.
Hindi, sundalo siya. Mabigat ang kamay.
Huwag mo akong pagbuhat.
Hindi, mabigat lang. Hindi naman, hindi mo magsumbong ka sa akin.
Ay, dito na!
Putulan ko yung kono.
Uwi na kami kasi...
Uy!
Uwi na kami sila.
Sakay ano sakyan niya?
Maga daw siya.
Huwag mo akong pagbuhatan ng kamay.
Alam mo si Kuya Limo? Ha? Buhat ang kamay. Wala. Alam mo, ako na doon nabuhat.
Brati, lago na kasi king. Lago na kasi. Kabalo ka sa iyang.
Alam ko na, uwi na yan. Okay na.
Ha? Na-duty sa karon. Duty sa karon. Lago na to.
Daddy. Bakit dad? Basta naman to? Kasi,
Mami.
siya ang pinaka-daddy namin. Siya si Mami. Siya si Daddy. Oh, mga anak lang kami.
Alam mo, ito yung pinaka-pahinga. Masarap pang relax mo lang iniisip.
Oo. Yeah, visitor ka dito sa Dubai. Kailangan talaga i-relax.
Buti nga meron kaming may kamag-anak din kami sa Kuya at Rochelle na katulad. Hindi naman lahat ng kamag-anak ganyan magtrato.
Hindi, kami.
May iba kasi. Hindi naman lahat. Ito lang yung kasama si Kuya din po yun. Ha? Ruel. Magaling dito ngayon.
Ay, siyempre! Uy, kasama ko yan! Dati lang ano? Nung araw.
It feels like more than distance between us. In the sky we're born. You were sleeping next to me.
Kaya.
It seems like long distance between us. In this time
Video me! Video hime! Video hime! Hindi na video. Video na yan. Guys, ito lang ba? May ulit! Punta tayo tira, uwi na tayo. Wala tayo dito, kumawa naman tayo. Marami doon, kaso maligo tayo. Gusto mo maligo, diba? Dubai Island tayo. Timera. Timera.
Dapat hindi ako nagbigay ng dapat hindi tayo nagbigay ng alak eh.
Akala namin ilang play. Gusto ko bang uminom si Daddy?
Kuya, warm up pa lang.
Daddy, gusto nang umuwi.
Hindi tayo kuya, hindi tayo. Para.
Ano oras na? Hindi, mayroon. Hanggang umaga kami dito. Marami akong kontak sa tira. Ano? sila. Hindi pwede. Bukas, yatin na sila maga. Inom tayo. Okay, happy ka.
Iguloy mo lang.
Sige nga nga.
Uminom kayo, uminom lang ha. Walang uwian ha.
Philips 5400 Latigo. Simply remove, open, rinse, and you're good for another great cup of milk-based coffee. The fastest milk system to clean. Philips 5400 Latigo.
Wala, bibili natin yung ano, bibili natin. Hindi, bantay ka ulit. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng laging may service. Hindi na laging matandaan. Sige, walang...
Ang dapat kailangan. Pag okay na yung metro.
Nagpalagay na.
Okay na yung metro. Huwag kanya bukas.
Yes! Salam!
Bukas.